Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So to use Prime Video, you first need an account with Amazon. The process is quick and works on phone, PC or TV. So first thing you have to do is go to Prime Video, okay, website like primevideo.com, or download the Prime Video app whether on your phone like iPhone or Android. Use the official app or site, okay. After that, click join Prime here, okay, or sign up depending on what you are using, okay. So from here you go to this page, okay. So if you have an account, you can sign in automatically or directly, okay. If you don't, you just have to go to this option, create your Amazon account, okay. So just tap this one. This starts the registration process, okay. So here you have to enter your details like name, email or phone number, password, and after that click continue, okay. You have to use a strong password, okay. So after that you have to verify your accounts, like Amazon may send a code to your email or phone. Enter the code to confirm, okay. It's a security step. Choose a subscription plan, like select monthly plan, annual plan, or start a free trial if available. It's required to watch content, okay. So then add payments method, like enter credits or debit card, other available payments options, and confirm. So it's needed for subscription, okay. And after that start watching, like browse content, click play, okay, and so on. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.